Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today I'm just going to do a little recap of my Robinhood account as I haven't done one in a while. So I'm currently investing around $521 in my Robinhood account, and I'm just going to break down basically what stocks I have and just kind of why I bought them, and then that's just kind of going to do it for this video. But anyways guys, let's get right into it. So guys, the first one I have Alibaba. As you guys can see, I bought it at around 193, and right now it's at 251. Guys, Alibaba's actually hit highs of around like 260 lately. It's just been trading around the 260 through like 250, 245-ish range. It's gone up quite a bit, guys, since I bought it. I think I bought it around November, in the time of November, so I've almost had it for a year, guys. I don't really see a plan on me selling it until the year mark has passed for the long-term capital tax, as it will get taxed less on it if I do sell it. So I'm just gonna wait that out. It's only been going up, guys. But yeah, guys, this is my thought process on why I bought Alibaba. On to the next one. So we have the good old Taurus acquisition, aka Shield Motors. So guys, I actually have 8 shares of this. Right now, guys, the stock is down. I think I've bought when it was at like 20, 18, 19. So like I've kind of bought every which way, but I'm just waiting for the merger to happen. So right now, guys, it's not whatever it's at right now. I don't even, it doesn't even wear on me. I don't lose sleep over this because it's down. I have no plans on selling it until the merger happens in a couple of months. So right now for this stock, I'm just completely fine with it. I check on it every once in a while, but I don't lose sleep over it. The next stock, guys, is Pfizer, aka the vaccine stock for the coronavirus. In my opinion, guys, I really like Pfizer. I really like what they've done. I bought it around $34, guys. Pfizer's has been one of those stocks where it's gone up. There's been news about the coronavirus. I believe they are on like phase 2 or 3 of the coronavirus. I really like Pfizer as a front runner. They are one of the top dogs for the coronavirus vaccine, and I see them doing very well with the vaccine and possibly getting the cure for the coronavirus, being the first stock to do it. So I'm just going to hold this and kind of see as more news comes out about them. But anyways, guys, it's just my intake on Pfizer. Last but not least, guys, if you guys saw my last video of why I was going to buy Diamond Peak Holdings, you should go watch it. Or 2 videos ago, my bad. So guys, I actually bought this stock at around 1240. It's just been fluctuating between the 12 like 45-ish mark and 1230-ish. So yeah, so I really like this stock. I'm just waiting for the merger to happen. These are all these 2 merger stocks are kind of pump and dump stocks in my opinion. So I'm just waiting for the merger to happen again. This one's just like Shield or Taurus acquisition. I don't really care what it's at right now. If it goes to like 11, I'm gonna buy more probably. But right now, I'm kind of just seeing what it's at right now, and I currently have 5 shares in it. But that's just my intake, and these are just all the stocks I have right now, guys. I do plan on buying Apple when it does come out when it does the 4-to-1 stock split. So I plan on buying Apple when it does break down. But until then, guys, that's this video. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments. Be happy to answer them, and please be sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.